In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a hood support on your Ford Expedition. I'm going to install a hood prop, so while I take off the support, the hood does not fall down on me. Using a right angle pick, we're going to get under this little tab here and pick it up. I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom. Then we can pop the support out. Grab the new one. You can have the pins in the locked position and install them onto the ball studs. Give them a wiggle, make sure they're locked in. Remove the hood prop, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.